Hello guys, my name is Casetech and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time, please consider subscribing, as you're gonna be getting a whole lot of content right on this YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna be teaching you how to get rid of the background of an image in 3 seconds. Yeah, you had that right, in 3 seconds. So I'm gonna show you how to get rid of the background of an image like this and turn it into this. That's for the basic. And again, we're gonna have this and we're gonna make it look like this. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so the tool we're gonna be using for this tutorial is a website named remove.bg. So we're just gonna type that right here, remove.bg. That's on our Chrome browser, right? So you're gonna open your Chrome browser and type in remove.bg, and we're gonna load that up. And the website, here's the website, guys. Okay, so now that we're here, we have a button that says upload image right here. So we're just gonna click on the upload button here. It's as easy as that. And we're going to locate the image we're going to be using for this tutorial. First of all, we're going to be using these just to get rid of the background, right? And I'm going to open that and it's going to upload on the website, and boom, guys, there we have it. The background is gone. It's basically gone without having to use your pen tool, your lasso tool like you do on Photoshop and Corel. Okay, so when you have these, you just gonna click on the download button here, and it's going to download that right up for you here, and we're done. So I'm just gonna open it up so we can see that the background is really gone. Okay, so here's our image without a background, as simple as ABC, right? Okay, so now over to the second example we have. In this example, we're going to be changing the background. We're going to remove the background first, and then we're going to change the background right with this tool, okay, without having to take it to any external software like Photoshop or Corel. Okay, so we're going to repeat the same steps. We click on upload image, and we're going to be using this picture. And as you can see, this picture is a little bit complicated. I mean, if you're going to remove the background of an image that looks like this on Photoshop, you're going to go through a little bit of stress. If you're an expert, and if you're not, you're going to go through hell. Okay, so you can see the lady has some strands of hair around her, so we're going to get rid of the background in 3 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to select the image and I'm going to open that up, and this tool is going to upload the image on the website, right? Okay, so it's taking a little bit long because I think the image is a little bit large. So it's uploading right now. We're just going to wait a little bit for it to be processed. Sometimes it could just take a little while, like maybe 5 seconds maybe. Okay, so now this is ready, and you can see, guys, you can see the magic of this tool. Okay, look at the little strands of hair. Look at that. Every single details were left on her hair. Okay, so this is cool, right? Okay, so now to change the background, you can see the little edit button here. You're gonna click on it, and with this edit button, you could basically change the background right here on this tool, okay, without having to take the image out to Corel or Photoshop or whichever software. So you could change the background right from here. Okay, so you can see the templates of the background we have here. You could choose from any one of them. Okay, let's select this one, and we're gonna see. You can see that, guys. This is beautiful, right? So we didn't have to take it out. We just remove the background, and you could easily switch between backgrounds right on the tool on this website. Ain't that cool, right? That is so cool to me. Okay, so guys, this is how to get rid of the background in 3 seconds. And if we were counting, I'm very sure it wasn't up to 3 seconds. Okay, so, and if you want to change the background of the image, you could also do that. Okay, so that is so cool, right? and you could take your time and explore other things. I mean, we have the eraser. There's sometimes the tool might not be so perfect, but 80%, 90% of the times I've used this software, it's been perfect. Okay, so this is the end of the video, and please, if you've gained anything and if this video has been of value to you, please take time out to subscribe to my channel and also like this video so it could be recommended to other people who are going through hell removing background from their images. All right, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.